dad's here, really excited because I just received the brand new Maxwell 26 from Trailcraft, and I'm going to show you that even 10-year-olds can build this bike. And I'm going to show you some really important tools that you should use when you're building your Maxwell. Allen wrenches, shock pump, the digital suspension tuner from Motul, plant-based grease and lube from Mountain Flow Wax Co. You're also probably going to need cable cutters and scissors. Step 1 with building your Maxwell. Getting your bike out. You might need an adult to help you. Second step, you're going to need your scissors to take some tape off. Once you got your dropper lever free, you can press it and make your seat post come up and put it in the stand. Once all your packaging is removed, it's important to sort out what can go in the recycling and what can go in the trash. Remember that you might have to cut your bars. Luckily, Trailcraft has marks on your handlebars so that you can cut them. Make sure to ask an adult for help. For this part of tightening your stem, you actually need a Torx wrench. Ask your parents to make sure your stem is tight. Next, we're going to put the controls onto the handlebars. Make sure you check your Trailcraft box for any grips, pedals, or anything else that might have fallen off in shipping. Next step is to put on the grips. Make sure to loosen both bolts. Once you've tightened down your grips, be sure to put your bar ends in. Next step is to put your front wheel on. Before you put your axle in, be sure to grease it with Mountain Flow Wax Co. Put just a little on your finger and rub it all over. Next step is make sure your front brake rotor doesn't rub. Mine rubs, so we're going to adjust that. The next step in building your bike is putting on the pedals. Make sure to use your Mountain Flow grease and grease your pedals before you tighten them. Use your Motul and tune your suspension. If you order your Trailcraft tubeless, you don't have to worry about this. But if you didn't, you should run it tubeless, and you should use stands.